right. So I'm here, Dawn, with Well Explored with Christine Kelly.
Hi guys, welcome to St. Barths.
Yeah, we've been talking about doing this virtual retreat at St. Barth's for what, 6 months at least?
It's been months.
Hello, everyone.
Bonjour de St. Barths. How are you?
We are here in St. Barth's and we're so happy to have you here.
We are here at the beautiful Toiny Hotel, Le Toiny.
My name is Dawn Oliver with Well Explored, and I'm here with the beautiful Christine Kelly from Plant-Based Daily, who's local here in St. Barth's.
Yes, I am your local. I'm going to be teaching a really fun wellness and elixir class, so get ready, just something fun to add to your routine.
And I traveled on Wednesday from Florida to St. Barth's, so safe travel is possible with some extra protocols, of course, and lots of pre-planning, but it's really possible to be away in a beautiful place like St. Barth's.
So beautiful.
Is there anyone else that would like to share a story from St. Barth's before we give you a little tour around?
I'll share them after I've been in a couple of weeks, Dawn.
Yes, Sabine, so nice to see you.
Hi.
Thank you for joining us. Sabine's mom, you're beautiful, both of you.
Wow. I thought it was two sisters there.
Oh, she said two sisters.
Yeah,
Love
that's
that.
what it looks like.
Oh, you're so kind.
You're doing something right.
So Sabine is joining us from London, and she'll be in St. Barth's in a couple of weeks for 2 weeks. So she'll get a proper virtual tour before she arrives.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi there, Sari. So nice to see you. I know.
Hey,
you've been to
Dawn,
St.
how are
Barth's.
you?
Yeah.
How are you?
It's my favorite island. I adore it. I'm a Francophile, so anything French is amazing. And it's a little bit like the south of France, but in the Caribbean. So what could be better than that?
That's what I always like
just
to say,
adore it.
especially with the borders closed. It's like you get that European flavor with a short flight in the tropics. So it's really completely different from every other Caribbean island.
Oh yeah, it's just magnificent. It's just so hilly and green. Well, you'll show us, I guess.
We will.
And
yes.
Green right now too.
I hope to get there soon.
Thanks so much, Sari, for being here. So I'm going to flip my camera around and do just a quick little walkthrough of this signature suite here at La Toiny, right from my own private signature suite at La Toiny. Private heated pool.
Wow.
It is so spacious. So especially for people who want to have real privacy and seclusion and feel safe traveling and not be around too many people, this is so amazing. So here we are in my suite. So we're just getting set up over here with the wellness elixir. So you see a few things out of place potentially, but this is called the signature suite, and everyone really loves this suite. And my bathroom, large tub, you see that? So it's very romantic, of course, and I'm sharing this suite all by my own self. And Janine represents this property. So is there anything that you would like to share on behalf of La Toiny before we get started with our class?
And I mean, from a sales side, selfishly, I just feel that we have the most beautiful rooms in St. Barth's, but of course I would be a little proprietorial for that and biased, but we definitely have the largest room product and the only rooms with private swimming pools. So I'm going to jump in my private swimming pool at some stage.
So it is a beautiful property. And if anyone even has an inkling that they would like to experience it, please contact Dawn, because it is an experience that should be on your bucket list, right?
Yes, I agree.
So Megan is asking, is there no quarantine period going here? So Megan, there is no quarantine period coming to St. Barth's. What you need to have is a negative COVID test within 72 hours if it's the PCR test. So no quarantine here, but yes, going back to Canada, you've got to deal with what's going on in Canada.
Yeah.
way that you would want to arrive to St. Bart's is via Puerto Rico. So you fly LA and you may have to make a stopover before you get to Puerto Rico, but you fly into Puerto Rico and then you take a Tradewinds flight directly into St. Bart's. So you don't have to deal with the St. Martin restrictions, travel restrictions. That's the real recommended way. Of course, we can go through St. Martin, but some of us had some challenges going through St. Martin this week.
Dawn, actually, when you go through Puerto Rico, you also do customs in Puerto Rico, which is far easier than waiting till you get back to the US. It's much faster.
Oh, yeah.
And so that's an advantage of going on Tradewinds as well. And then they have a VIP lounge there. So if you want to go for that, it's even a little more luxurious.
Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe.